Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5115M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has the John Deere H260 quick attach front loader that goes with it. Tractor has right around 850 hours on it. Check the listing for the exact hours. It's loaded with options, has a 3216 transmission. It's got the triple mid and triple rear hydraulics. You've got the multi-coupler up here. If you want to add a grapple or a bale squeeze, anything of that nature, it's ready to go. Also has the the weight carrier and the grill guard as well. Front work lights on the cab. It's got the global style bucket connection. Also has a bucket that has the ears on it for the silage grapple. If you want to add that, that's easily done. Very clean, very nice tractor. It does have the Michelin Radial tires on it. They're in excellent condition. Has a Deluxe Multi-Coupler here for your mid-loader hose connection. And again, it does have the triple rear hydraulics. Has a corner post exhaust. Rear work lights and rear wiper. Triple rear hydraulics back here. Has 540 and 1000 PTO. Drawbar goes with it. Top link is here. It's got the heavy duty telescopic 3-point arms. Also has the stabilizer bars. Tractor's really set up very nicely. Got a lot more options than most of the M series do. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean. It's got the premium cab with the deluxe air ride seat. It's got the visibility roof in the top there that does tilt open, and obviously has the sun visor there to protect the sun if you don't want the sun shining on you. Also the sun visor up front, overhead console with the speakers, rearview mirror, climate controls, and radio that is XM and Bluetooth capable. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Also has the shuttle control here, which will set how fast that reverser shifts. To the right of the seat, you've got your two main transmission sticks. You've got 4 ranges back here. Your C and D are your 2 highest ranges. Those are both synchronized. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the larger lever. Those are all synchronized. Plus the 2-speed power shift here that can be shifted without clutching. The little buttons on the side here. And again, it does have the third function on the joystick here, so it's ready for a grapple, bale squeeze, or anything of that nature. Triple hydraulics out the back as well. 3-point and 4-wheel drive hand throttle right here within easy reach. Also have your PTO engagement and then your PTO selector. You've got your 540, 540E, or 1000 selection here on that lever. Again, it's very clean in here. Foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal down below. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.